Good morning, friends and family. It is a nice, cool Texas morning, which means it's probably about 75 degrees. We are out here getting a water tank. Let me show you why we got to get a water tank. So we're going to have a little garden tour here, and it's going to be sad. We have not had rain. We've not had official rain in 15 days. And the last rain we did get was only 4/10. So even the morning glory, one of the most pernicious weeds we got, this thing is managing only a couple of blooms. But we are feeling it up here. We still got figgy hanging on. Turk's cap is starting to show signs, but yeah, we are pretty doggone dry. Pretty doggone dry. Hello, Marvin. So you might look at these grapevines and say they don't look that bad. Well, that is true, because we've had them on some irrigation, along with the sweet potatoes and tomatoes and trombocino squash that we've had. I'm going to be revising my system this winter, and hopefully we'll be unveiling that at some point. But we've got kind of an irrigation system that I've been working on for a couple of years, and I think we've got it out. But that irrigation system uses no electricity, no motors or anything, no pumps, and that's the beauty of it. So I'll be going over all that. But yeah, our little garden is feeling it. The grasshoppers and things have come through and eaten pretty much anything that's green. Apparently we missed a sweet potato, so we may let that one overwinter just to see what it does. Our poor little not Esperanza, or Rudbeckias, or I don't know about those guys. We'll come around, and the Greg's mist, need to prune those today. The Greg's mist is hanging on. It was looking a little ragged yesterday. We put some water on it. Pomegranate has seemed to have stalled. It does have, looks like we got some new growth there. Yeah, we're trying a little bit, but it's not growing like it did last year. And then the shrimp plant, we're gonna put some more water on them today. But yeah, we are all kinds of dry and crusty. Now these grapevines for the big green wall have no irrigation. This is only this is what God blesses us with, and then what I'm able to put on it when I come up. But this little dude, still trying to push buds out. This little dude has gone all the way to the top, so that means this winter we're going to be putting up the trellis. Oh, hello, there's little Charlotte. Let me see if I can get a good shot of her. There she is. That's little Charlotte. Well, that didn't exactly work. Luckily, I managed to take my water jugs down there, but I wasn't able to get much water in my tank because my water hose fitting here has a little bit of a leak in it. So I only got about 3 gallons in there. Shh, y'all don't tell Nani or I'll be in trouble and I won't be able to take Toodles anymore. So we're gonna get we got 3 gallons in the tank, 4 gallons in the jug, so we'll go put those on the garden now. Okay, Nani found out. Nani found out, and she helped us get, what do you think we got? 7, 8 gallons?
Yeah, plus the jugs back there.
Plus 5 more jugs. So yeah, Nani found out I was mistreating Toodles. Let's go water. Okie dokie, guys. Yeah, we put a lot of water out. There's no rain projected for another 10 days, so hopefully we will get a little shower. It's not much, but we sure need a cold front to come through. But as always, we really appreciate you guys watching these videos and laughing at us, because if you just laugh at yourself, people think you're crazy, but if you laugh in a crowd, then you're funny. So we appreciate you guys. We love y'all, and we will see you outside.